Hello, Drew here with Action Millionaire / Action Drywaller. Today I'm going to show you how to patch a hole in drywall without using any screws or any tape, and this is called a butterfly patch. I wouldn't suggest going over 6 inches in diameter or 6 inches in height as far as your patch goes. So this hole is about 4 by 4. So I cut a piece of drywall here, and what I did is I cut the back of it. I scribed it 2 inches overall, the overall width and height of the patch. That way I'm able to break the drywall and use it as tape. So I'll show you that right here. So basically I'm just going to break it like that. And you can patch drywall anywhere. I mean, in here, my kids put the toilet paper roll holder through the walls, so I decided to patch it like this because there's really nothing to screw to. So there is your butterfly patch. I'm using the paper to actually adhere my patch to the wall. So now I'm just gonna, got some mud here. Just gonna put it around the patch like this. Just make sure, don't skimp on it, but don't put too much on there. Obviously you're gonna be coating it. So you're gonna take your patch. You're just going to press it right in the hole. Just like that. Nice and snug. And you're just going to wipe that down just like you would any joint tape. But instead you're not using a joint tape, you're using the actual paper from the drywall to tape your drywall. So there's my patch, and now I'll coat it. Don't really need to wait for it to dry, as this is texture. If it was smooth wall, I'd probably wait for it to dry, but this is texture, so I'll just put a quick coat on it for a first coat. You just want to fill over that, just like that. And there you have a coated butterfly patch with a first coat, and it's ready for a second coat. Then after that, I'll make a video on how to prepare it for texture and spray texture. And that concludes my demonstration. I hope to see you on the next one, and please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. If you want to take action in your life today, please click the link below in the description. Remember to like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell for future videos.